Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda.com, here today reviewing the Steeda lowering springs for the Ford Focus ST. As noted in the opening, these are designed to lower your Focus ST. They're also designed to enhance performance. But let's start with the lowering aspect first. Ford, from the factory, really sets the rear of the Focus up high. And the reason they do this is because they want to make sure that the ride comfort of the car matches everyday use and the demands for most consumers. We know you Focus owners and we know you demand more out of your STs. So here we are with the lowering springs. These will lower the car 1 inch up front and 1.4 inches in the back. This means you have plenty of ground clearance, but we get rid of that artificial rake. Now, as far as ride quality is concerned, we also improve that. And the way that we do that is we use a slight progression to the springs. This means they start out a little softer or equal to the stock rate, and then gradually work their way up or progress into stiffer rates. Yet once you get into the twisties and start throwing this thing around corners, it's going to corner like it's on rails. Clearly, we've gotten into much more than just the lowering aspect and started talking about the performance aspect. So let's keep building on that. The reality of these is it really dynamically changes the balance of the car. This gives you much more control, whether it's launching and the reduced wheel hop you'll get from having a stiffer spring and stiffer rear spring so the front of the car doesn't lift as much, to under hard braking, not having anywhere near as much dive in the front end and having more control that way. But the fun comes in for those of you that really want to throw the car around corners. Lift the throttle a little bit and you will get the back of the car to rotate as if it's a rear-wheel drive car. Tons of fun, tons of excitement. Add our rear sway bar to this combo, oh man, does it change the dynamic of the car. We offer 2 sets of Steeda lowering springs for the Focus ST. One set fits 12 to 13 model years and the other is 14 and later. This is important because if you're planning to retain your factory front struts, you definitely need to match the spring set to the year of your car. If you have a later car and you're planning to use the 12 to 13 struts, you would use the 12 to 13 springs to suit. If you have questions about this, definitely don't hesitate to reach out to us. To ensure consistent spring rates as well as strength, we construct these of high silica steel and then powder coat them in a durable blue finish. These are backed by our lifetime warranty and we proudly manufacture these in the USA because speed matters. So tell us a little bit more about your Focus. Have you lowered it? What are you doing with it? Are you taking it to some autocross events, drag racing, or road racing it? Go ahead and comment below. Likewise, if you enjoyed the content of this video, please click like and share with other enthusiasts. To keep your focus on Steeda, don't forget to follow us on social media. To learn more about these and many of the other great products we offer for the Focus and Focus ST, be sure to visit us at Steeda.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a phenomenal day.